Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Recently Wipro released the notification for jobs for fresher. So Wipro NLTH is declared. So let's discuss about the eligibility criteria. So in education, the students should have secured 60% or above. In 12 standard 60% or above, and in graduation 65% or CGPA equivalent to 65%. So year of passing is 2021. So there will, in the selection process, there will be a written test in which there will be 3 sections. Aptitude test, where in aptitude there is a logical ability, quantitative ability, English ability. In written communication test there will be an essay writing, where duration is 20 minutes, and there will be an online programming test where 2 programs for coding are there. So the candidates can choose their programming languages for coding test, either Java, C++, or Python. So the last date to apply for Wipro NLTH is 5th January 2021. So candidates who are eligible for this can apply by going the link which I will be given in the description of my video. Thank you.